Welcome to RadReport. In this demo, we'll show you how to integrate your PACS or imaging devices with RadReport using the ConnectAI integration module. Log in to RadReport with your credentials. Once inside, navigate to the left panel and click the ConnectAI tab to access integration options. In the Integrations tab, find the Facilities Integration section and click Add New. Choose from among three options. Select TCP/IP, Standard DICOM from the drop-down to begin setup. Fill out the Connection tab with your PACS details. IP address, port, AE title, and institution name is very important to mention correctly. Complete the Facility and Manager Details tabs, then click Save Changes. Next, configure your PACS to send studies to RadReport. In the Outgoing tab, find the connection info. Add a new DICOM destination in your PACS using the provided IP, port, and AE title. You can set up auto-routing for seamless transfers or manually send studies as needed. Save your new destination settings in PACS. Once integration is set, studies can be sent automatically or manually from your PACS or fetched by RadReport. Go to the Companion Mode tab and select your facility via the drop-down. Monitor progress in studies within RadReport. All your studies will appear within the selected facility. You can also verify successful integration. Here, you'll see all studies received from your PACS or fetched by RadReport. If studies don't appear immediately, refresh the page or double-check your integration settings. RadReport also offers direct integration with RadioView.ai. If you use RadioView, just click Connect with RadioView.ai for instant access to your studies. For more help, contact RadReport support. That's it. You have now integrated your imaging system or PACS with RadReport. Enjoy seamless AI-powered radiology reporting. Ready to experience RadReport? Visit our website or contact support for more information.